Guys, my name is Lauren Karanja and welcome to D&D Clothing, the African fashion movement. So today I'm gonna show you how to 5 seamwears. Guys, enjoy! Wow, I can't just get enough of the clothes, guys. The clothes make you look elegant, beautiful, and so stunning. Guys, if you liked any kind of outfit, just go check on our website www.dndclothing.com and wow, share this video, like, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, go follow us on TikTok, YouTube, and every kind of platform, guys. And as we promised, we deliver the best.